In Russia, the red rain is coming for 2 days. Citizens are worried about if it is harmful for humans, but the government says it is because of the nickel and copper from coming out of the factory nearby.
The first problem is the flood. The first detail is the house can be destroyed. The second detail is many people can die. The solution is make more dams to prevent more damage. Tell people not to cook with food from inside the water, and tell the citizens not to go out, not to go under utility poles.
The damage that citizens get is also very big. Trees fall down and farmers' crops die. What Korean government can do is to gather people to donate to make a polytunnel house for crops and tell citizens not to go out. Last problem is the citizens' health. Because it is not sure that what it is, the government should announce citizens not to go out.
Thank you for listening to our project, and this was Jackie, Stella, and Sally, and